We use a Kwikset SmartCode 909 Deadbolt here. See, this is the exterior keypad. See, it's basic as well. I'm going to show you the inside part now. Here's the indoor part. As you can see, this is where you log in, unlock and all that. You take the cover off and program it. Set whatever settings you need. As you can see, the cover has screws on it. So there's that. Alright, so let's go ahead and test this thing. This thing does have batteries in it, and I had the code to fully test it. So let's go ahead and lock it right now. See the bolt pulls out, and we put the code in. There you have it. Let's do it one more time. Simple as that. Might as well do it from the indoor view, because why not? As you can see, it locks up. Do it again. Simple as that. So I'm outside again. I'm going to go ahead and test this even further. So let's hit the lock button. As you can see, it's locked now. You also press that to light up the keypad just in case it's dark outside. You put the code in. See, door unlocks. I'll do it one more time. Bam. Put the code in. There you have it. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is have the camera inside the house. I will go outside and test it again. And as that's going to go on, you'll see action of it from me outside with the camera inside to see how that's like. Just like how you say you have someone pull over to your house for like a party or something, then you give them the code to get in. Just all that jazz. So that's what we're gonna do. Anyways, that's pretty much about it for the video of this Kwikset SmartCode 909 Deadbolt. And stay tuned to the next one.